We want to get started programming, and we'll get started programming very soon. The most important thing is to learn some computer science concepts, and we'll do that as we get started programming as well as along the way. And the third goal is to write code to extract a link from a web page. That will be the first thing that we do to start building our search engine and collecting the corpus that we need for the search engine. A goal of this course is to turn some of the magic of the search engine into something a bit more understandable. Our biggest goal, though, is to learn about computer science. Computer science is about how to solve problems, like building a search engine, by breaking them into smaller pieces, and then precisely and mechanically describing a sequence of steps that you can use to solve each piece. And those steps can be executed by a computer. We're not going to get to the point where we write code to rank web pages in this unit. That's something that we will cover in Unit 6. In this course, we will not get into everything that you need to build a search engine as powerful as Google, but we will cover the main ideas and learn a lot about computer science along the way. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.